friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to make a dancing dinosaur. You can make your dinosaur dance. The secret is in the back. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. All right, friends, so we have a dino template here, all these dinosaur parts, a paper plate, 2 clothespins, and a piece of ribbon. You'll also need some additional items: a glue stick, scissors, and coloring materials. All right, so we are going to clear off our workspace. The first thing that we're going to need is our dinosaur template and some coloring materials. You will also have to color your paper plate. Okay, now that everything is colored, go ahead and cut out your dinosaur pieces. Nice job. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is take our paper plate and fold it in half. So turn it over to the white side and then make it like a taco. Go ahead and line up the edges and fold it. Open it back up, and now we're going to put our head of the dinosaur on one side and the tail on the other side, on the inside. So see how that works? So go ahead and glue these pieces on. You might want to turn them over and put some of your glue stick on each end. And then, so here's the fold on the paper plate. Put the head and the tail like that. The next thing we're gonna do is put a little glue on this edge, the whole outer edge of the paper plate. So go ahead and put glue there. Actually, we can go right around the dinosaur and the plate. And then we're gonna fold it back up and hold it for a minute until it adheres. The next thing we're gonna do is take our clothespins, and this is where we're going to put our legs on. So legs go like that. We're going to put some glue on each clothespin. And the legs that go in front are the ones that are a little bit bigger and have the rounded top. So I'm going to put my legs on, kind of line them up with the bottom of the clothespin. Hold them in place. And then I'm going to flip my dinosaur over. I'm going to put my legs on whichever way I want to put my legs on. I'm going to go ahead and just open up the clothespin, and so you see how my dinosaur now looks like it's running. If I put them out in front, to me, the dinosaur looks like it is dancing. All right, so wherever you want to put those back legs, you can do that. You can even glue them on where you would like them to be. So I'm going to put some glue on just that part of that leg there and put it where I want it. Same with this one. I'm going to put the glue on the part that I colored. And I'm going to flip it upside down. And last but not least, so that you have control over your dinosaur and how it dances, you can put your ribbon there. Again, you can glue that into place as well, but those clothespins hold the ribbon very nicely, and you can make your dinosaur dance. Your dinosaur can also stand, just like that. All right, everyone, so remember to clean up your workspace and play. Nice job. Woohoo! So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your dancing dinosaur. Please check our calendar for other upcoming events. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. Have a great day. Bye-bye.